here with Anne at Roy Power. Hi Anne, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you, Lawrence?
Fantastic. Anne, tell us about Roy Power, what you offer.
Loipo is the lion battery professional solution, mainly for for example, forklift and scissor lift and floor cleaning machine.
Yeah.
Also, we support for the marine and the golf charts.
Yeah.
Also, we're doing residential energy store systems,
Great.
and we also do truck energy store RE. So we already work with a lot in different industry company like home and Thai.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for this show, we are just work together for this booth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so promotion for our lion battery and with their forklifts.
Yeah. Wonderful. So you're from Korea as well?
Actually, no.
Yeah.
Actually, our headquarters is in Huizhou, China.
Okay, great, yeah.
But we do have the branches in Sydney,
Yeah.
which for the local sports.
Oh, okay, wonderful. And how have you found the exhibition with CeMAT here so far?
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good, and we met a lot different company, industry company here, and we see a lot cooperation opportunities.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing.
Wonderful. So you met some good contacts and some good leads?
Yes, absolutely. So yeah, we love it.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Anne. Congratulations on the great products. And as you say, quite diverse industry sectors as well that you cover.
Yeah. Thank you so
Right.
much, Lawrence.
Thanks for being on Import Export TV.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks,
Lawrence.
Anne.